Hello. Uh, so in this video, what I am going to explain you is how to find the number of occurrence. Like for example, you are given a column or a range of uh, values, and in that you don't know how many times a single instant object is having repeated. Means some it might be once, some it might be two, twice it is there in that column, or thrice, some even 20 times it might be there. So you need to filter out only the first occurrence, means the only once that value should be appearing, the rest all should be ignored. So that for that you can use COUNTIF, and you can filter out the first occurrence of every instance. So how we can do is, I hope you have already learned about COUNTIF in my previous videos. So let me just see how we can do COUNTIF. So COUNTIF, what I am doing is, usually we will take range like this, full range, right? So here, since we want only the first occurrence, I am taking a range like this and putting a constraint in this first one. Second one, it is not constrained. It is free to change. Free to change. And then the constraint, and then the criteria is whatever is there in the cell. So how it will be getting changed, I have copied the formula till below. So how it will be getting changed if is, so C8 is fixed, and this second value is getting changed. So as we move down, this value will become C9, C10, C11, like that. So then the criteria, as usual, we have given the grade. So how this formula works is, so in the first condition, what it will do, it is C8 to C8. So then the condition is F. So only F is there, so it will become 1. So next when you go, it will be C8 to C9. So F and E is there. And the criteria will become C9. So that is E. So E is occurring once there. So yeah, 1 it will come. Then this next one is C8 to C10. So FEA. A is occurring once there. So it will become 1. Next is C8 to C11. So F is occurring twice here, and the criteria we have given is F. So what it will count is first F1 and second F2. So now it will become 2 here. Then the next one, it will see how many F is coming before 1 and 2 and 3. So it will become 3. So as using this formula, we can find the total number of occurrence of any instance, of any instance. And if you want to filter out only the unique ones, means the first occurrence, the first time that value is coming, then we can just filter out one. If you filter one, then you will get only the first row where the item is coming. After the second time, third time, fourth time repeating, everything getting removed. Yeah, I hope you understood. If you have any queries, please comment.